Hello student, in the previous video of the chapter 4 geography the climate we discussed about the weather and the climate. During the course of the day we can experience moderate to extreme changes in the atmosphere around us. The day can begin as bright as sunny, but by evening it can start raining heavily. These day-to-day changes that we experience are referred to as weather, and the weather condition of a large area for a long period is known as a climate. There are many different factors that affect the climate around the world. These factors are often referred to control of the climate. These are latitude, altitude, sea, pressure and wind system, ocean current, and the relief features. The first and the major factor of control of the climate is the latitude. It is a measurement of the distance of location on the earth from the equator. It is one of the primary factors that affect the temperature of a place. Places located close to the equator receive more sunlight, and the places located far from the equator receives less sunlight. The earth's curved surface is a reason for these differences. The sun's ray falls almost perpendicular on the equator and oblique on the poles. Thus, places closer to the equator receive more intense heat and light, and the climate of these places generally warm and sunny, and the places closer to the poles receives less direct rays. Hence, they receive less heat and light, and these places comparatively cool and have moderate type of the climate. The north and the south pole receive least intense rays. The climate near the poles is cold throughout the year. In fact, regions near the poles are the coldest on the earth. Altitude is another factor that controls the climate of a place. The higher one travels from the atmosphere, from the troposphere, the lower the temperature goes. The rate at which temperature drops are known as the lapse rate or the average rate. This means that for every 1000 feet, the temperature drops by 3.6 degrees Celsius, and for every 1000 meter, the temperature drops by 6.5 degrees Celsius. The variety in temperature also controlled by the pressure and the wind system. Warm air as tend to rise, creating low pressure area, while cold air tends to sink, creating high pressure area. In order to equalize a difference in pressure area, air moves quickly to high pressure area to the lower pressure area. As a result, the wind blows outward from the high pressure area towards low pressure areas. The differences in the air pressure near the equator and the poles are the main factor that influence pressure and the wind system. Similarly, altitude of a place also influence pressure and the wind system of a place. The distance of a place from the sea is another important factor that affect the climate of a place. For example, the climate of Rajasthan and Kerala is different because Kerala is near the coast while Rajasthan is landlocked state. As compared to the land, water responds slowly to temperature change. It takes longer to get water heated and cooled down. As a result, places near the sea experience mild temperatures. Means they are neither too hot in summer nor too cold in winter. The sea has moderate temperature on land. As the distance from the sea is increased, the moderately decrease. The weather condition became extreme. The places away from the sea generally has very hot summer and very cold winters. Another important control of climate is the circulation of the air and the water. The air in atmosphere and water in oceans are in constant motion. These two motions distributed heat around the world in regular pattern. Warm air and water moves towards the poles, while cold air and water moves towards the equator. Coastal area with warm or cold currents flowing fastest get warm or cold if winds are on shore. Another major control of climate is relief of a place. Mountains act as barrier for cold or hot winds that affect the climate of the area around it. The side of the mountain that faces the winds is known as windward sides, receives very highest rainfall, and the vast mountain ranges create a shadow on another side that is known as a leeward sides, hardly receives any rainfall. And the factor which affect the climate of the India we will discuss in the next video. Now topic related these question answer you have to do on your fair notebook.